Hello, agus fáilte go ráis Thig Na Seansálaithe mas maidh seansa lácu blociad Na Seansálaithe. Is me se Hugh me gile cheart me ráis an seo leis an dar Sraith gur míle maigh as ahanange a bhí i ggéisiart linn thar ná agus an sin leis an céad Eagrán agus muid ráis an brisú, muid rejuvenated, muid revitalized, muid all set leis an blian uair seo agus ag súil go mór leis. Is me se Hugh me gile cheara mar is gréit man seo le moid Courage, moid có leaci an seo ar dúspléire le Aine Aine dinnéar.
Tá bheith ionach, tá bheith mo go híntaach Hugh.
Tá sé buzzing. I don't know céim fáil. Tá like funny of like máid de híine. I'm like, whoa!
Sílam meala go muid a tafad seo ri le de gra muid a hafad ag jetlog sníhes bhín funniú ar bhícuin.
You know, how the sausage is made, and just when usually it's like jetlog sníhes, it's like, okay, here we go. And then I'm like, yeah, my muscle chip. I'm actually real adult. I'm kind of bounce on Hartford and Chalmers.
Beidir gur béis an Eagrán is fear bheith agan riú.
Better, yeah. No, better béis an is hyper. Gotí go much áirithe le like cólacht coffee is é seo an cin is é seo cin is hyper bheith agan go fáil. Agus fásta tá man seo le caird leis a the inis is sean lad cearta inis James ó Fáilte James dinnéar.
Tuirseach. Ní rom a coffee fós so
No.
Yeah, struggle tá níos teachtarmin so
Sinné tá ding bhí nach bhfuil acu bhí brethla James an in chatting by heart so le brethe hanna James or when he sold some brethla chips in his chuig.
Oh yeah. Actually 42 actually.
What? Agus Kirk go mai, you know.
Yeah, go mai no. To my kid go back to man crush Paul Rudd was that need I can niche about him so but no yeah we should come out couple dagar is ahring agus dinnéar is clowns a dona so chill go out weekend. It's officially Tussie dry January or Zaloon so yeah go out.
Yay! My Hugh.
Well, that's so good. For me and mate and texting at reinshafting. Agus dainty dingy laugh. We should like yes because Nikaji in the knowledge the man to it's shit. How to get all so good shin or a light. Agus and shin in the shin to character. Ach dainty dingy love laugh him. So better shot and what made dingy we toss you dry January or Jahula.
Yeah, so got gachter amach le move rella. Because I thought him to go and then toss him with dry January look like Hale, so it's all good.
Yeah, or some Dutch packy to absolve yourself.
So that you run not go gar beat to dry January a hosu and Cade law.
No, never. No, I'll be like like a lot could have been couple of that version like so shouldn't be anger so no, it's a whole lot.
Or basically go mas show ma.
Yeah, Sean fi tree Sean or to Brunton to be jazz James were to Dolly book na doll the drum and kick of the bum where Jan should
well mar dus nog ma machle diners clowns so shouldn't prison so yeah for my big on the aftershave
classics
gym kit Dove Men sponsored can I go some Love Island bottle
What's a dear cos leis well the anime
unless go me Dove Men plus care new 2 liters a day I don't think it's enough anime
unless your name is Dove.
Holish Bear Deuce and Shaw occurred Darby James Animsic good Dove plus men's care.
Just like I hope come in longer Jack Love Island even matter.
Ten applications are asked in a show.
Stop.
Alright lad.
Not a fear. Well, air machine but Jesus. Nioche chala skati.
Anyenha, like you higlums na Aine anymore y'all go with you Gyalte we're not like hella ach to Calicar to Bular again ach Anyenha to Sir James Anyenha to Love Island.
Well a deuce for Horm good head Horm Plucky which is a tough ask Plucky at a caution Horm chin fall in the shape of my life like Horm probably not ní bhach man nach rudí green iche ó seogadtín saora But otherwise 100%, yeah. Oh yeah.
Caiú smaitiú ar na rudí dearfacha is bralo ar nach chuáin a bheith an gláir a gcónaí caihí siad ar nach chuáin a bheith acu. Bín siad gcónaí lerg lad atá ina joker ghfuil atá granar agus cumáile sin tatú dolig an gym an tamar fad cabbí so bheitha braábalta bra ré le dul se sa villa.
chum
Muitiú ar na rudí dearfacha.
chum fá réad an na chest hairs ceaping fresin.
Agus spray tan oil.
Yeah, farmers te mór agus na GA jerseys ar mar
much like a gáil hiige salán leis costal 40-year-old version agus mu just go na tanning or na wax strips a lacu.
Oh man, what funny. Mo chloig mór tomato se Love Island o sin baru go man.
I think dhéana go mai agus tu in bháile le brand deals agus le supermodel the hauling car the high at least couple of sharting and then brushing to Swiss and you just like gym gear or whatever like that.
I shouldn't like just go my host out looking at 2FM piece of it, I think.
No, Badger. Oh no, Betty genuine the nightclub appearances. You know the Yana. Betty the car. Betty Pulse. Betty Limelight. Betty Carbon. Betty you know, like the spots for RIP Carbon. Carbon are killed. No stuff.
Yeah.
RIP. He made James genuine appearance. Shouldn't go forward.
No.
Plagan. Well, I guess. Archer and Segwish on it. It can't feel Love Island. Oh!
Genius in that.
The bhí really at the charts by heart agus I think gur Harsha Star landing agus gur you know cap up thing for grammar cap me hang like their speech for Donny's spun a second when it's like gosh and actually gas Molly Mae ag genu phodchraoladh costa seo agus an rud dúirtí gro na fihicear uair sa le cearna ógin hain agus ag Beyoncé. So a ceist lugam sa dit sa Áine is céim fáin nábhfuil is mar Beyoncé go fáin. Céim fáin.
Ní is lugam, cai mé ar Molly Mae mar is cosa gur sanolaí ar náhairí. You know, creative director ar cólacht as dibhrí si an Jean le sin ar gomach agus no, ní me gíh mag go fuhí mé eile go dearm fuair si go leor si buíocht an chatan seo. Ach níró sé ró cliste go dé dúirtí agus níró sé ró hiisceach do gcuoine eile agus go háthnar nach nícan siach 3.5 pingin le achan duine I brins na sweatshops fuine per little thing. Ní hiigla hírá gur win si maithécht olmhór is síl sa cí geú sin.
Hannig my brother was like agus Thig it's like what cuairtú like capitalist analysis probably not higging a V or Love Island exhibition but again I'm caring that it's like what to do I dingy ref also all super like oh you shot like yeah V on these organ Virginia like test looking and differ other like you know of a you know a country like Arrogant because you know a country you know the different ethics the Strahouse like the like it's not like Nielas Niveo is so good ag fiadá like go Jackrachtí dingy le Arrogant is le síl sacu like
Sinné is aspatiscinna é se agus leor na daoine héanaar Love Island just fecinn siad an méid Arrogant atá cólachtaí tuirta agus sin méid go cum lofaí pretty little thing tá siad measc an grúpa is meas ar dóin chunne édí olhargu agus tá sé dántreach an méidir tarsúla go.
Tá line 5 níla like fast fashion and then just a fast fashion James change to hig like pennies na hig PLT na hig I don't know if na boohoo na ASOS like the biaku
no not really no not really no like I think we'll éadach fid but like size dear like so I think it's just a good staff because we can cartal not go art is for the fast fashion nach modest like a horrible couldn't be my father the for my couple that ASOS like I say go wash it me They should shite like so. Need 1 point on whatsoever.
Yeah,
Go back to Molly Mae. Wish cannot pass them actually hot. So
it's like another dirty vi mass real
you're my really gay land or my brand were.
They go shallow.
Yeah.
No, we do the duty thick though.
Yeah.
Coming on for bully no cared like we she stupid.
Yeah.
So when 24 hours came the dance because Beyonce, the difference is that Beyonce out of this world hot because she non-casa. Casting should count so I don't think with a 24 hours came like a mercy. So
Agus during the different Beyonce agus and the Ella go post the never she'd nice curry nice Jane and Ivory Molly Mae. Ní dólam gohfuil mar an creative direction a dul right and sin dearhingur anim atá chuir leis an ggólacht agus sin é. Níl ein stadio dentiki I gursi fashion bhfuil ní leon trainal dentikis Serrano sin so cin am actually ábalta cóla comór sin a rí agus an nirchin rudí jaarú agus smacht de version like is anim é anim tá chuir leis an ggólacht sin é.
Go on. Yeah, that bit I'd say go Virginia like more influencers might like their own Virginia in the Molly Mays. Well, listen, there's James or Love Island. There's fecky much Ken size cracking which are in the podcast or fad.
Yeah, it's kind of Call Davis my affiliated lab.
O'Neill's agus
Nike agus that actually cool. What do you mean cool thing? That can on PNG attempted.
Oh,
that's
yeah. Yeah,
it's like completely sustainable.
Yeah,
actually really cool. Like, so we can shit like the whole that cool like rain fed. Yeah, it's really cool. Like, like hook shit like on the emissions mass on air about on ink, you know.
Oh yeah.
So that's so. PNG and what's your special cholesterol is in the my Love Island. Hit me up.
Do.
Hey, baby, take me out to dinner. Bing bong. Fuck your life. I'm starting with Pretty Little Thing.
Oh no, but tá lein cóachtaí sin agus lein cóachtaí airna fásta atá a dhéanú rudí ar dóibh le sustainable fashion like tá baile an agus sure bíonn siad san ho dalí le eilnis cos tá like an méid sin
ar an ggólacht bhí te andalí gansaí cheanna go baile.
Yeah.
Ach dearann siad sin gur sin rud is feargaidir le dhéanú na well éiad dar le bhí cheannach ach gur fiú éadí a cheannach ó do hir hain cólachtaí saceachtar an cólachtaí beaga mar nach chuil siad chun an méid céine olthar go dhéanú ar na feiste ar na gotí éadí le éagsúla.
Even in cost probably thought he's exploded on a gym plus coffee the sustainability of it. You know thought gun if story the year but thought class like that's something like whole jumper on robe is like trousers is really like it's such good quality like they should actually really come out like it is gym plus coffee hit me up.
Ar fuúta Hugh an méid tú a crothú beidir lína de hílénta atá maiid an tíimplacht go dtí leat beidir de chuir sa talú agus go bhásí plán
Cá tú ceann you way on TikTok is dearna chutas you look so dumb right now.
Ba sé genú agus ceachtaí oral ar an tíléine. Oh my god. But you know what? Like a major tíléní banna cheáil who hook'em like secondhand shop asú like cause goni like the co-op le tíléní really can like it's tílén defro. So I think and there's Jenna Iraq ní smó le dul hiig na secondhand shops na shoppy like carnas agus ní enam Iraq like and made stuff I can't after Tim Shahan to do because like the hairless the shoppy car and this like there's the price needs equal I guess there's or some like the nap will in on like dull hig the shoppy wars with mission like fact into daoine ag tuisteach na shoppi sinna agus ceann siad ahanrod and then Swiss Depop like gin uair agus like price markup like all wars like ní sin really codú leis sin leis sin timpachtain sin like ní tú bheith really sustainable to just like ag gaiir brabúsí anú as daoine
Ac caint Depop an bhfuil contas Depop agah? Tágam sa go mai.
Tágam sa ní úside mé ráhannic le gohhaile mé úsatí spó. Úside mé le haid gansaí hepelle cheannach, because bína gcónaí cinníón like just the kinda is random like gur féidir le
vintage.
Yeah, and like just like I don't know like Mayo 92 or whatever like that, no like Sligo
Mayo 92 another All-Ireland failure, so
yeah
near to the beach in 92 as well.
Oglat na referee a hambliando a Hawaii Jake
chuig shock Bronum for Dini OAO means geisha. Yeah, actually, need Bronum, sorry. Come on.
Find it slagging all war are in the Earn Clare shot. Agus Enniscorthy for slagging. Nah, too much mock. And then into Ken say stuff find the sir Depop Áine.
Well, dílam se glóir de mo chuid ADR, mar tá mé ciúnta yeah, tá arcum. No, can't even nómar AD sin an éirne, tá mé ciúntaach in is Sraith. Bím ionach orintanta téimeteach is ceannim rudí dar láimh nó cuairtaí mid fiú I go éadí mháam as bunim rudí sin as genimír gan rudí ceannach, and then gennim full circle agus ceanna mé like couple of rudistí pennies nó ceanna mé ag an lína agus máim ceúntaach nar dhéana mé mar tascom dá mai it's tascom nach marhí na héadí sin I bhád ach orintanta ní me forfa. Ag genimír ach bhí sin cúpla a caiithú náidir Depop agus na héadí chuineala bogu gon muí den ag an eile ús a justú. As ceanim rudí seo an siúd go maiid a héin ach sin sa go se ionach gur app anhaithe.
Yeah. Anhéna sa James a mé darnearla sa Depop account cinsáid stuff mé sa díal le cinsáid é a mé tú díal.
I actually say good jerseys of Hondo because the unedited jerseys on, but ní me get deal so.
Tá sin go bra go fadas go gaithintú iad.
Yeah. Well, yeah, okay. Like you know, it's a whole train on me by industry like that's an jerseys agus gear I'm like so be my it's in a hawk more like but
well during sheets monar arkstach at the wardrobe agus monar caiitú rud le trí Venus fairéiles.
Oh really?
Lín shop a carnach dé no or cur Depop é. Monar caiitú le trí V it's cosú nach gaithú a churbe.
Oh yeah, didn't mochlan rud like gomens chríd éidoch like cholle vlean and then like Cormal cheese and Molly David and then terms in the charity shops that what decent, you know, horror, you know, and then basically just like just kind of donations really like so that's my involvement to the sustainability there. Our name she can't Depop new second-hand shop and that like so.
Tá sin go Depop ní sfear de lads ná de chalíní.
What?
Sílim go bína caiideán ní sfear bín go leor den kinda Dunbrúscar sin ó Pretty Little Thing is mar sin de ar ceanna chalíní ach den lads bín lawn stuff vintage bín mar dúirt Hugh leor sa retro jerseys agus gansa ar ard caiideán brogan cos is sprála lads broga cheannach fan cúiségin agus ní caiithinn siad iad as current náidir sin iad is fine advice to what ní sfearid.
Yeah. And that's dollar stock X. I mean, so good at stock X.
Maybe.
So James, I mean, this is good at stock X.
Hear the stock X.
Can't I for mission thing why will suck shin like in it's like Sive la high Gahari la high broggy like la high like sneakers or whatever like Jordans I guess Yeezys because like the broggy shin or whatever Balenciagas really machine but it's kind of that like auction that road but going back into like broggy la high like €1,000 not like €1,000 like crazy price na yeah the can that's thing shouldn't that chicani ma mo I don't know what to and tracksuit Olympa togum like Tokyo.
Oh yeah
shouldn't that chicani ma but it's like and stuff shin like where it's like seo like streetwear seo cool
Yeah.
deadly like caiú seo
like Jordans agus like you know Balenciaga sin like to the look brand cool tá sé like brand really cool but ní siad go a cool armsa
go mé
no Tá sé sin dieanta le siúiltí Sraith in America agus ú go seach and then casa tú ar yes agus imre tú beganín pick up basketball nu agus béún sin ní siad go bheith ormsa siúiltí Sraith I chearú le Jordans mór orm agus má just go seach tí sé ní se go gobal
na háte le go magafút.
Ef me noch een stuk leir chans ma. ní sé even op Landish horbe. So ní go seach éon as mar even an gáil ní go seach an gáil le Peter Jordans na dat.
Ri mu sé urhhain agus cheanna sé se asics no ní mar like vi should like broggy like really jazz whatever agus ma ho maitla agus ma like níama honey cha value like or encore or whatever but I was like but this ní been oglarm either caiú Áine so I was like come or whatever so I hig like yeah ceol from seachtainí here and then we just like go homeland Krista I was like nice okay they're done like higla me cha caiú Áine because ní oglar BR like because there's the already salanish like solar like you know like ní higlam you know the vi ma curman of my kihes with immersion like go fáile and like my ganzi iron with immersion thinking really curma ní ma guy shall like your encore agus me dar list de brag like really curma like shill harter puddles mission agus you like fucking become like so ma like kneecap shield with my cocker kneecap got like yevli on the hand and then the slow tie and sharking here in the shield so yeah cocker wrap so it was just like dinnéar buir cheile like like sweat boxes like and I was like yeah okay become alumnus yeah exactly yeah just go home on briste with she like Sala off great
from my Peter le no Peter Air Forces born like I on top can on meshy like she's cool
yes.
But like come our shoe the chin say he is a cat in it it's just my you know pop them on you know shoes he's prom I've done a cool ma I wala is you all stain bug the verbs and like oh well so how meacha the saharing so like good well lasted
like it's already melted so you know becoming this
yeah so I'm like nah
no tan mage and like new fans album to genu sneaker culture and like just it's an ummer good or rud yeah na sé gan céar na caiim agad ar fucking ein-size shape like them like you like animal like aligned bionicles like the figures Lego sin because like tá like na bali steam shamra and ballia it's all like art princess like cluhi and like you know to picture the like thing like for my kin as thing in chart and golf babes the time tahu shout out I guess it's like a picto chat or DS but it's a giant send nudes because it's picture like the like anything in chart like or nothing to just Swiss from a ball in it because I was like Shaw deadly this is cool so Kaimalan area the really a land shy but ni quick €8 or pair broggy that's my limit I know walkish of fui like rigging seachtain the list of Swiss or Twitter and see shot every moment.ie Neil area agus vi a tang of your list in that 8 baby boy names inspired by Irish places a walking shift shot
no
so I really like to
guess that
I spent a couple of guess yeah must my left
which is the way it's in the mirror ba
tis the Merle yeah
okay Mayo
yes the Gary loser of more plastic come on
Carlo
Everything Carlo
Tíle ha Carlo or the faste
Jaron in seo is féidir le úsáid an abbreviation Carl nó Carlo as in CARLO agus tugann seo as an
I can't believe go mar sin ceart.
sin actually ridiculous. Bhí mas sweet bhí like níl seach an Kennedy Al or Harvey. Ever a feckin' heen will tosh me agad sa annual
Kerry nach léon daoine Kerry ar fáiste soú is sinnaim chalín.
Colin sin ar liste. Bhí mar garcar an liste list acu an siomh dá like the colony fásta, but it's like really normal a hawain Ireland like Ireland occur fáiste and if you yeah but like not afraid that just Aaron occur arhu like Aaron like can get the book níos fosa yeah
Há go Derry on
no yeah Derry on list
even Derry playing
no
Derry
shout out
ever a dá what's the king ever a dá
an Conde the league
Conde agus Fáilte
oh okay Ennis
tá Ennis ar liste
1-1 on you 1-1
sin ever a tree ever a dá
Criú
no ar an drothir an carú ní hé sin aim
an the first
no tá an anim sin cho exclusive ní hé no like le et cho galanta ní féidir le é ho dá thinking chat like you're setting up high expectations for playing to rather faster or the faster
oh Tyrone
no actually just in list
Mar Carnation Street the random Tyrone
Turkey's random go on like Wexford and
Longford
Níos sé ar liste Dundalk nó níos ar liste
Claire bhil sin anim chalín
Ganim chalín sin ar liste na chalíní
Albring ifir dó
Lucan
oh god an áil na hospital
yeah it's fair that an anime Garrish's go Luke but LUC and LUKE so you can put would you not just LUKE
not just call them Lucas
yeah Len Rowan far ever a car actually ever car is anim caiú after the regular a bunny or anim da etch da balle yeah
King Conde
Wexford
Enniscorthy
Enniscorthy to the dinnéar
Go steach Enniscorthy
go Enniscorthy Colta a dug má clúdíh
yeah
bow no
Ross
Sinead
oh Ross Cam
yeah that new Ross
ever from in Áine me
oh yeah tá yeah Ní sound just him tú Ross Cam hoing mo
new Ross in Wexford ach tá Ross Cam caiú fásta ever a chuig níos chun é like it's just so ridiculous like
ball in the Conde
Báiliton I chu na bhí
Rockharing
Dunboyne
no tu go mar clúdaí
Trim
no trim Well fáin bar go réige Dearhhaile trim yeah but like Dearhhaile trim yeah no tá sal ra an Dearhhaile
I had a booking for trim
you hope so was it Doug McCludy
yeah go on
and that's your Rogu Pierce Brosnan
Ní le sagam sa car Pierce Brosnan
no was agus sí Tommy Tiernan exactly sin go ball here in the shop
oh Ashburn
no but Garla Ashburn Navan
Na.
Oh my Navan. Seachas Nevin.
Saolaí Navan go teiste.
I do é rá ganút so go goáin.
Navan. Navan a tucha tú chat an jingar Navan. That a hall.
She took me crackáilte.
Tá is absolutely crackáilte. A bhfuair sé ar bhhail is tóis ná an intimadíh.
Bhfuil éon chunda ar a fócaí.
Tá tip tá éit bhhain eile a bailile clia an den tá éit eile atá anim do chundáid.
Loud.
No. Loud ó flairte. No.
Cork.
No.
Limerick.
No.
Kilkenny.
I know came for like it's contact shot nach while before anim like
Leitrim.
no earn vibe here than Leitrim though.
Roscommon?
No.
Oh.
A vibe can in Leitrim. Oh God, ten years of on.
Sligo?
No, and it's what they've
it's vibe can Leitrim.
like Swiss like
so for man in Monaghan.
Down?
It's a Hogar.
Cavan?
Cavan. Okay, literally Cabhan.
Oh,
Cavan.
So basically, my twins like they need to go Navan because Cavan.
Navan, Cavan. Good to chat.
Jesus Christ.
It's ridiculous.
Interesting what Ellen is.
Yeah, I can join that is cashel, as in Cashel.
Corn the cashel.
That's like cashel blue, like.
Yeah, non-bala a tip. And then I can join that are like ní cheapam go bhfuil seo actually in that a joking an anim seo as ach dearan seo Pierce. Ach Pearse ní Pierce agus dearan se go se aimne in é an station train in mana clia like to be like yeah for man anim mo buchel as station train in mana clia.
That's classy.
Oh yeah, just go completely over the head. Go Patrick Pierce.
Yeah,
Mark Pierce.
Yeah, ten mention, but Fox like the like pi like ta anim like ta cad anim on ta Pierce on Pierce, you know whatever. That Pierce Piaris. Yeah, listen, an anim usage Pierce like as in cost and slinya anymore cad anim. It's just like ridiculous like so shouldn't this someone us every mum punk.ie
well I'm going to be honest hooking Pierce over Navan to Navan
so caigur daoine haar leir sa genú seo ní hoc le airní bheith léach seoir fáistí socu.
Well hánig má liste or hánig má tweet agus bhí dinge rag gur dobar siad le haid cin an Stephen sinna where it was like, you know, parenting blogs whatever agus bhí siad like be ceart cin that anime air na or whatever agus bhí si rag or she just gur aon fecin anime se bhí se like, you know, bhí se like mata yanks agus an anime glen de loch is just lovely. No, just like could be actually random like so I'd say just your Glock should just list the online or just dark should their ahan list of beyond I'd be just like yeah fuck it yep anime
so that's agur caiim am a bhí sin like
yeah go on absolutely tá line with the doc Ratcher and Steve Shaw to how to perform CPR on a baby help my 10-year-old is wetting the bed, how can I help him?
There ring a food product, so that's grand.
Agus and popular shot or here every mum punk.ie every mum punk.ie
just no we should rate today chapter seal just we toast a jam make more hot is to you know what jam James same thing.
Mishi captured grow up a more guess up so we should hunt Eve in her arm and then I came out with a bit more than expected because she's like oh Jesus fuck agus is Hugh Mae Hugh bug
Hugh deep. Just go to winter. Just that. What? Hugh? What?
Is I guess fish and cheese.
Hughie tugad Hugh ar máthair cumáid mar leanú ach bhí ahananta nó hiarón ra ach bhí cuí. So thug siad raig dín dara and was máthair sa right muid le John air. sé fós baistú é ag mar Hugh but bhí thuclí bheith éisteach a daoine le bhí cuí ar.
Wait, well anam de air Hugh John Weir.
Hugh John fanar seo turlach Weir.
No, flag
mu gcóí a mag faoi á mar sé isme bhí mu gcóí mag faoi turlach
Fué ó mar chur ceis is é mó dara aim John Frost.
Oh my cúpla.
Especially Hugh John car. Ní Hugh John Turlock car buis de
So for the hainmneacha Áine Turloch ó Turloch mór Trongáile, I take it.
Yeah.
On listening way.
Us every mum punkaí.
Hí sa Jerón. I garchar every mum punkaí.
Yeah, ar na léir scáilna bín like, yeah, Sean Kin car. Well, sílam gur bé sin é, Tás go mat bhí géisio le seo agus tú agsú le leanú leis go tú chun cin an aimime sinna úsáid. Be cabhans big goiste ag na gail scáiltána sé cin chuig blian.
Got to Carlo or do I called it so
yeah bhí sin dáráte go bhfuir tú é so tá anbrád las James Fairplay tag an céal a is sin dearint so
yeah
finally tá sin seo ag sílam gurbéid sin é don chláir seo gur mí mis a bheith ag géisiart mas de gair muid a lás ar na main thuisiilta Tá muid ag na seanslaí ar Instagram, na seanslaí ar Twitter, ar na seanslaí ar YouTube agus féad le an fís seo a eáil agus muid gur gáanta bring má grú ag tá seo agus ahanút. Má gairí mu se a lás ar na main hosta, Tá síos mar Hugh hir ar Twitter agus Instagram agus Hugh ar an TikTok Tá Áine ar Anywhere ar Instagram, Anywhere ar Twitter agus Anywhere ar TikTok fásta?
Tá mu luú TikTok is.
Tá
dhéir go maiid le Hugh an teachn ar TikTok.
Tá muid ever ha chuúas.
Shameless plug.
But to do Geiger gur TikToks, I guess, it's in rud urtáling genu from the man host there. We're trying to stay on top of trends.
Yeah, Brandon Kong the top comments that video of Hugh version of it.
Yeah, I guess you too and username. The James or Instagram was Twitter flaharta. I guess we're flaharta or TikTok pasta will.
Oh yeah.
Well,
like ní in the more on TikTok now. The video on
they brew artist.
But the Gary messages a cheall like James or TikTok couple of feature her again. The couple can last shouldn't run away any James it just Michigan James it's just her feature grammar you hella sin the file when sin gur mí as active geisha lin agus be live reach and starting chugging Eagrán a quick Jake so Harvard hoglaat éisiart le ahan Eagrán ahan le ha clickisnis so mat the gar sin dhéanú a no cé fáin dhéanana ach mat gar sin dhéanú is fé dhéanú ag sin gur mí máigh agus fi can rééis a chatisiúgin tá Eagrán tá le seaí. Fáin.